Steve, your firm, Westmount Realty Capital, buildings in Milwaukee from CenterPoint. CenterPoint is a subsidiary of CalPERS, California Public Employees Retirement System, for $61 million. CenterPoint is based just south of the border here. Many in the marketplace think they're pretty smart players. And you're buying real estate from what are pretty smart players. You already started to describe this, but what gave you the confidence that this was the right thing? It's turned out well based on your earlier comments, but tell us about your confidence in buying this real estate.
Well, again, as I said earlier, we bought properties that on an aggregate basis were 30% vacant, and the general market and the competitive set was closer to 85% occupied. So there had to be something fundamentally amiss. And what we found was that CenterPoint, yes, they are very qualified people, but their focus has shifted to big box distribution. They have a large multimodal facility and terminal and millions of square feet of large buildings outside of Chicago and Joliet, which was quite impressive. I've seen it. And our buildings, these 10 buildings, are older, a little more management intensive, and they just didn't fit the mold for them. So I think they just lost focus. They were managing it and asset managing it out of Chicago, although they had a presence here. They still have property managers here. They still have some buildings here. But they didn't want to invest capital proactively, and it's hard to lease buildings that are not in good condition, both aesthetically and physically. We've invested more than $2.5 million of capital in just 10 months, replacing roofs, painting buildings, landscaping, parking lot repairs, and the like, making vacant spaces ready and presentable. And those just were fundamentals, but CenterPoint just quite frankly lost focus. They were focused on much larger transactions. So we were able to take advantage of that.
Great, thanks, Steve. So I think I heard that you got this 30% value add in the lease-up of the properties in a stronger market, as well as maybe a business decision by CenterPoint to go another direction in their business.